In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Collaborator code in Shopify. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin for the store where you want to allow a partner, developer, or freelancer to request access. Collaborator access is a safe way to let someone work on your store without sharing your own login details, because they will request access using a code that you generate. Once you are inside your Shopify admin, look to the lower left area of the screen and click Settings. This is where Shopify keeps the main account and store configuration options. After you open Settings, find and click Users. Depending on your Shopify layout, it may say Users and Permissions, but the goal is the same. You need to get to the area where Shopify manages who can access the store. This section is also helpful anytime you need to add staff accounts, remove access, or review user roles. Next, in the left-hand menu within that area, click Security. Security controls key access settings for your store, so it is a good idea to move carefully and only change what you intend to change. Now scroll down until you see the section related to Collaborators. This is where Shopify manages Collaborator access requests. When you reach that section, you will see the option to generate a new code. Go ahead and generate a new Collaborator code. When Shopify creates the code, copy it and share it only with the person or team that needs access. Keep in mind that this code is meant to be used for Collaborator requests, not for staff accounts, and you should treat it like a security credential. If you ever think the code has been shared too widely, return to the same Collaborators section and generate a new one. Generating a fresh code helps you control who can request access going forward. Once the collaborator has the code, they can submit a Collaborator access request through Shopify, and you will be able to review and approve the request from your admin, and that is all there is to it.